Hello students, so now we are going to discuss solution for n-queens problem using backtracking approach. In previous video we have already discussed the problem statement, and problem statement says that we have to place n-queens on n cross n chessboard in such a way that no two queens are under attack. So for that we are going to find out the solution. So here we have considered 4 cross 4 chessboard and we are going to place 4 queens on this chessboard. Here we have to consider one constraint, that we are going to place 4 queens in this 4 cross 4 chessboard in such a way that each row will have one queen. For example, if I have 4 queens, that is queen 1, so queen 1 will be placed in row 1. Similarly, queen 2, row 2, queen 3, row 3, queen 4, row 4. The reason behind this condition is, in previous video we have already seen, if we try to find out the possibilities of placing 4 queens in 4 cross 4 chessboard, then there are many possibilities, and if you start checking all the possibilities, the time complexity of the program will be very high. So in order to reduce the complexity of the problem, here we have put one condition, that queen 1 will be placed in row 1, q2 will be placed in row 2, and so on. So now rows are fixed, so we have to just find out the column where to place the queen. So let us start with the solution. So initially what we are going to consider over here is, here we will put our first queen, that is q1. Now once we place our first queen, now we cannot place any other queen in this particular row, as well as this column, as well as this diagonal. So these are the cells which are blocked where you cannot place another queen. If you place another queen, then that queen will be under attack. So now let us go and try to place another queen. So first row is done. We have already placed q1 according to the condition. So I'll write it again. q1 has been placed. Now q2 needs to be placed, and we know that it should be placed in row 2 only. So I'll go in row 2, and right from the first column let us start checking the condition. So can I place q2 over here? Definitely not, because then it will be under attack. I cannot place over here because here it comes under attack as they are in the same diagonal. Can I place q2 over here? Yes, definitely I can place q2 over here, because now q2 is not under attack. So now next thing is, I'm going to place q3 in row 3. So I'll continue with the solution, q1, then q2, and I'll start right from the first column to place q3. Definitely I cannot place over here. Then here again it comes in a diagonal to the q2, so it is under attack. It is in a same column, so cannot be placed, and again same diagonal, so cannot be placed. So here we understood one thing: if q2 is placed at this particular position, then we cannot place q3 anywhere in row 3. So here we need to perform backtracking. So backtracking means what? We are going to the previously placed queen. So previously placed queen was q2. So as we are not getting right place for Q3, so we will go back to the Q2 and we'll change the position of Q2. So here I'll again write down the solution which we have got so far, Q1. Now here you cannot place Q2, here also not possible. Here we have already tried, but because of that position we could not place Q3. So we backtracked and we decided to change the position of Q2, and this is the only place where I can place Q2 because the rest all positions we have already tried. So if Q2 is placed over here, then let us go to the next row and try to place Q3. So I'll again copy Q1. This we have already tried, Q2, and for Q3 again I'll start from first column. So this is not possible. Here, yes, here I can place Q3 because it's not under attack. Okay, so we have placed Q3 successfully. Now we will go to the next block and we'll copy the solution as it is, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Next we are going to place Q4. So for placing Q4 we have to again start from first column of fourth row. Not possible. Then here also it is not possible because Q3 will attack. Here also not possible because it comes diagonal in Q3, and here also it's not possible because it is in a same column of Q2. So here I cannot place Q4. So now I have to go back to the previously placed queen, that is backtrack to Q3. So if I am going back to the Q3, then I have to find out, is there any other position where I can place Q3? So let us try to understand this scenario. So previously Q3 was placed over here. Let me do it once again. This here Q1 was placed, then Q2 was placed. Earlier Q3 was placed over here, right? And if let us try another position. Now this position is not working. If Q3 is placed over here, Q4 cannot be placed. So here also I cannot place Q3 because it comes in a diagonal of Q2, and here also I cannot place. So in that scenario, now I cannot place Q3 anywhere over here except this particular position. So in that scenario, again backtrack to Q2. So if I now backtrack to Q2, as we know that we have tried all the position. Here it cannot be placed, same column, diagonal. Here we have already tried this particular position. This position we have already tried, and again we could not found the position for Q3, so we backtracked. So now this position we have already tried, and last position we tried is Q2. So even if we place Q2 over here, we could not place Q4 in a last row. So now we are going to backtrack to the previously placed queen, that is Q1. Okay, so now what we need to do is, as we have backtracked to Q1, so I'll change the place. Earlier Q1 was placed over here, so I'll change the position of Q1 and I'll place it over here. Now Q1 is placed over here, so let's go to the next row. Can I place Q2? Not possible because diagonally under attack. Here also not possible, here also not possible, but definitely I can place it over here, that is over here. Then try to place Q3. So Q3 can be placed over here, yes, because it's not under attack of Q1 and Q2. Now let's place Q4. So here it's not possible, here it's not possible. Yes, you can place it over here without any problem. So this is how we have got our solution, that 4 queens have been placed in this chessboard and no 2 queens, they are under attack of each other. So at this particular position we have got the answer, and the answer will be written like this. This is my solution vector. Now in solution vector, what we have is the indexes are going to be queen number 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let us find out first queen, it has been placed in column number 2. So we will write 2. Queen 2 is placed in column number 4. Queen 3 is placed in column number 1 and queen 4 is placed in column number 3. So the solution is 2, 4, 1, 3. Okay, this is the first solution. Similarly, there is one more solution possible in case of 4x4 chessboard. So the solution is, I'll write the solution and I'll show you that solution. The solution is exactly opposite of this, that is 3, 1, 4, 2. That is, first queen will be placed in column number 3. So first queen, it always go to row number 1 and it will be placed over here. Then second queen will be placed in column 1. So second queen goes to row 2 and in column 1. Third queen goes to fourth column. So third row, queen 3 goes to fourth column and fourth queen goes to second column. So if you observe these two solutions, so they are mirror image of each other. So I can call it as a reflection of each other. So actually we have got only one solution, but as there are two different arrangements, so we are saying that there are two solutions available. So as we discussed in a previous video, that if we are trying all these positions, okay, then we are getting 92 solutions, but these 92 solutions are by applying rotations. We are getting by applying rotations and reflection. Just now I have shown you how we get another answer with the help of reflection. So actual answers available are 12, but with the help of rotations and reflection you can have a different combinations or different solutions. So then it becomes 92. I hope you have understood how to find out a solution to place 4 queens on 4x4 chessboard. Now in next video we will discuss how to draw state space tree for a given problem. Thank you.